Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Today we've got another beer from the Salt Beer Factory, and this is their Huckaback New England IPA, coming in at 5.5% ABV. It's brewed with Mosaic, Citra and Amarillo, and yeah, a 330ml can then, and it's got a best before date of the 15th of July of 2020, so there you go. Purchased this beer at the Ravensgate Arms in Ramsgate. I was amazed to see this brewery grace a local bottle shop and bar, so great news. Been very fortunate enough to get to the brewery in Saltaire in West Yorkshire back in October, when I was day after Indie Man with my good brother in beer, Rob, over at Hopscene, which is just down the road from him. So yeah, if you've never been there, what a place. I mean, they spent a fair bit of money on it, but wow, what a place. Cracking stuff. I'll give it a quick tap. Wow, it looks really good in the glass. Very kind of almost smooth looking appearance. It didn't pour much of a head. Perhaps a quarter of a finger of white head. And as you can see, it's very kind of like a light lemony tinged orange sort of colour. Upper end of a medium haze. Yeah, looks the part. 5.5%. Interesting one. So I mean, would this? I mean, they say it's a New England IPA on Untapped, but 5.5. I've seen some American or session IPAs in America and that percentage. So anyway, let's get an aroma then on this juicy looking beer. Oh, okay then. It's very light lemon drops, a nice kind of light citrus note, maybe a slight bit of passion fruit. It smells very clean. It's kind of like it comes across as like there's not many sharp edges on the taste, if you can translate that into an aroma, but it's giving me that impression. Oh, smells nice. Give it a try. Cheers. Oh yeah, very soft. Oh, it's lovely. Very well rounded. It's coming through on the taste. What I was kind of trying to work out in my head what it's going to taste like before you taste it, kind of thing. I kind of have a guess, and it's kind of what it was coming through as for me. Touch of pineapple, nice zesty kind of orange on that. Very juicy, very light, very clean. That's nice. And it's nice to try one of their core range beers as well at last. God, they sent me a few bits and bats. Can I find a can? Here we go. A can. I can in a can. Bowline. That's a collaboration they done with Doc's Beers in Grimsby. That was cracking, absolutely brilliant. But it's really nice to catch up with this boy. I love the kind of like what do you call it? Blockbusters like patterning on it. Really cool. Love it. Ah, as Bob would say. Bob Holness. Oh, that's just so crushable, it's unbelievable. There's no hint of the ABV. The body is kind of like a low medium body. I mean, look at that, I've drunk all that already, and there's no more in the can. Gives you a clue, doesn't it? Had a beer last night, not going to mention the brewery or whatever, but a well-renowned brewery, and it took me an age to drink it, which is very unusual for the brewery it was from. But yeah, this is ultra crushable. I bet it's even better at the brewery on tap. I'm sure Rob will say that as well. Cracking beer then. In terms of rating then for me then, I'm going to give this, for me then, I'm going to give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. I think it's absolutely cracking. Yeah, so a 4.25 on the Untapped scale. Over to Untapped then, it's had 2,769 total check-ins, 187 in the last 30 days. It's had 2,364 actual ratings then, it's coming in at 3.78, which is a fair score. I mean, that's a hell of a lot of ratings. Excuse me, that's nice, a bit of carbonation there. Yeah, a really nice beer. You're definitely getting that kind of Citra Amarillo kind of mix. Is there a kind of a dry... There may be a slight kind of, not earthy, but that what you get off Mosaic kind of notes. Very minimal though. It's more Citra Amarillo. Bang. One of them beers. Really nice. So yeah, check them out. This is Huckaback New England IPA from Salt Beer Factory out of Shipley in West Yorkshire. Let me know if you've had it before down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.